So let's determine the value of the given trigonometric expression. Now clearly here we have in the numerator is the product of two trig function. We have sine of 5a multiplied to cosine of 2a. This is the first term, followed by the second term. We have the product of sine 6a times cosine of angle a, whole divided by, in the denominator we have sine of a times sine of 2a minus cosine of 2a times cosine of 3a. So what we'll do here is, since we have the product of two trig function, we'll use the transformation formula, which is going to transform each of the product to its corresponding sum or difference of trigonometric function. So let's state the transformation formula that we will be using here. So these are the four transformation formulas. So we have the product of sine A and cosine B. It transforms as a sum of two sine function. Then similarly, we have the product of cosine A sine B transforming as a difference of sine function. Then we have the product of two cosine function, which is the sum of two cosine function, and the product of two sine function is the difference of two cosine function. So let's begin. Now here we have the factor 2 missing. That's fine. All we have to do is multiply each terms with 2, and this is going to take care, because what we are doing here is multiplying and dividing by 2. Fine. Now we have 2 times sine of angle 5a times cosine of angle 2a. So we're going to use the transformation formula 2 sine a cosine b. So this is going to give us sine of angle. So we need a plus b. So this is going to be a and this is b. So 5a plus 2a, that's going to be 7a. Added to sine of angle, the difference 5a minus 2a, that's going to be 3a. Minus, we have 2 times sine of 6a times cosine of a. So that's going to be sine of 6a plus a, that's 7a, plus sine of angle 6a minus a. So that's going to be 5a. Whole divided by, now we have the product of two sine functions. So this is the transformation formula that we will use. So we'll have cosine of a minus b. So here we have a minus 2a. So that's going to be negative a. And we have minus cosine of a plus b. So that's going to be 3a. Then we have 2 times cosine of 2a times cosine of 3a. So we're going to use this particular identity. So we have cosine of a plus b. So that's going to be 2a plus 3a. That's 5a. And this will be added to cosine of 2a minus 3a, which is simply going to be negative a. However, we know that our cosine is a even function, meaning cosine of negative a, that's going to be cosine of a. So we're going to get sine of angle 7a plus sine of angle 3a minus sine of angle 7a minus sine of angle 5a. Whole divided by, we have cosine of angle a minus cosine of angle 3a minus cosine of angle 5a minus cosine of angle a. So we can we can cancel out few terms. So sine 7a and negative sine 7a, cosine a and negative cosine a will get cancelled out, and this is going to leave us with sine 3a minus sine 5a in the numerator. And then in the denominator, we have negative times cosine of 5a plus cosine of 3a. What we can do, we can take this negative sign and multiply with the numerator. So that should give us sine of 5a minus sine of 3a divided by cosine of angle 5a plus cosine of angle 3a. Now what we have here, we have is the difference of two sine function in the numerator and difference of two cosine function in the denominator. Now we'll be using the transformation formula. If we have sine of angle a minus sine of angle b, then this is simply equals to 2 times cosine of a plus b over 2 multiplied to sine of angle a minus b over 2. And if we have the sum of two cosine function, cosine a plus cosine b, so that's going to be 2 times cosine of angle a plus b over 2 multiplied to cosine of angle a minus b over 2. It means we have the product of two cosine function. So this transformation formula takes us from the difference or a sum of two trigonometric function to the corresponding product. So we will now get Sine 5a minus sine 3a, that will be 2 times cosine of angle. So we have 5a plus 3a, that's going to be 8a over 2. Multiplied to sine 5a minus 3, so that's 2a over 2, whole divided by, now we have 2 times cosine of angle, so 5a plus 3a will be 8a, so we have 8a over 2, multiplied to cosine of angle, so 5a minus 3a, that's going to be 2a, so we have 2a over 2. So we can immediately factor out 2 times cosine of 8a over 2 from the numerator and the denominator. Now, we in the numerator, we are left with sine a divided by cosine of a in the denominator. And this ratio is nothing but the tangent function. So this is tangent of a, which is the final value. So therefore, we have successfully found out the value of the given trigonometric expression. It came out to be tangent of a.